Really dry ground in the garden yesterday to about ½ an inch of water sitting in my garden this morning. Actually, I got out there and measured the rainfall this morning at 3:30 with my flashlight, and actually a little over 2 inches of rain in the garden. Crazy.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, we're going to add to it today, at least in spots. Let's get right to it. Take you down by the waterfront, and if you look carefully here, along the horizon, you can see a little bit of brightening taking place. That actually is some breaks in the cloud cover that's taking place further out on Lake Erie right now. And eventually, some of that's going to be working into our area. So, yeah, I do expect at least some breaks in the cloud cover this afternoon. And if we see any sun at all, it is just going to fuel the redevelopment of some of these showers and thunderstorms across the area. However, I think they will be more likely to the south and east of the city this afternoon. Let's take a look at radar. This is the very last of the morning rain showers, which scooted across the area again. And once again, we're experiencing a lull in the activity across all the 8 western New York counties down to northern PA, even up into southern Ontario, into the Toronto area. But that's going to be changing again this afternoon. You can see sizable breaks in the cloud cover. The clouds really thinning out here to the west, and it's some of that is going to be working across our area this afternoon, starting to heat up the air. It's a very juicy air mass out there, so that will lead to the redevelopment of some of these showers and thunderstorms that we have in the forecast. And you can see them taking place here later in the afternoon, especially well to the south and east of the city. We will probably see some of that sun breaking out here around the city and the surrounding suburbs, including the Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, Cheektowaga, Lancaster, Depew, and down through Hamburg, Orchard Park, even East Aurora. As we get into the overnight period, well, there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm initially this evening, maybe another one later tonight. But for the most part, I think much of the nighttime period should be pretty quiet. But on Thursday, we reignite the showers and thunderstorms. They'll be scattered across the region. We have a very slow-moving disturbance working across the area for the next several days. It is not going to push east of the area until Sunday. It's going to take that long. So repeat performance again on Friday. More scattered showers and storms firing up, and we'll be left with even some scattered rain showers into Saturday. High temp forecast this afternoon, about 78 at the falls. Some sun peeking out should easily boost the temperature up close to 80 degrees in the Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, Cheektowaga, 80 degrees at Batavia, down along the Pennsylvania line. Probably some upper 70s more likely in the higher terrain, especially in spots like Olean. Your forecast high at Jamestown this afternoon, 80 degrees, about 78 to 80 at Hamburg, Orchard Park, at West Seneca. 74 at the airport right now, 76 by the lake at Dunkirk, 72 at the falls, also down at Jamestown, and 71 here at Wellsville. And here's the dew point, almost oppressive. When it gets up to 70, it's Floridian, and we're pretty close to that at the falls right now with that 69-degree reading. The sunset time at 8:58 this evening. Here's your forecast. Upwelling, by the way, off Rochester, dropping the water temp to 47. Clouds and breaks of sun developing this afternoon. Very humid. Scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, mainly to the south and east of the metro. Slight chance of severe storms, too. The high temp 75 to 80 degrees for the overnight. Early evening rain showers winding down along the PA line. Otherwise cloudy, mild, muggy overnight. Maybe another isolated thunderstorm late, 63 to 67. Then tomorrow, more clouds, some breaks, scattered showers and thunderstorms redevelop. Somewhat muggy, 73 to 77. Again, a slight risk of severe storms in there. And on Friday, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunder. Breezy in the afternoon, low 70s. We're cooling down a little bit heading for the weekend. A few leftover raindrops on Saturday. Hopefully, we can get those out of here in time for a drier finish to the weekend on Sunday at 72.
A little bit of everything these days.
We're trying to satisfy everyone, including the lawns.
Thank you very much, Mike.